a place that I dream of, beautiful white sand, sitting in a silver bay. I see the shimmering water, the shape of the palm tree. I can sit and dream all day. I feel the warmth of the sunshine touching the white shore, seagulls dancing on the sea. I see the boats in the distance out on the horizon, sailing through a fantasy. Oh, my Hawaii. Oh, my Hawaii. A special magic feeling flows through the air. I feel the happiness and love everywhere. That I dream of, beautiful white sand, gentle breezes through my hair. I hear the sound of the water echoing to me. I can't wait to be back there. I see a splash in the night sky, a rainbow of colors, lighting up my fantasy. Very soon I'll be feeling the glow of the evening. It's a place I long to be. Special magic feeling close to the air. I feel the happiness and love everywhere. Oh, my Hawaii. Oh, my Hawaii. And when I come back to you someday, I'm gonna stay.
Class 77 Mothers, ladies and gentlemen.